Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to decorate a very simple but yet beautiful cupcakes. So I already baked my vanilla cupcake and I'm using glucose to hold it in place inside the cupcake box. One thing I really want you guys to take note of is how to properly secure your cupcake. So no matter the means of delivery, even if you are going to give your cupcake to a dispatch rider to deliver to your customer, your cupcake are going to get to your customer intact. Okay, so just pay close attention to what I'm doing. So first thing I did was to use glucose to secure all my cupcakes. So this is a box of 6 cupcakes. I'm just going to use the glucose to hold them in place. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I would really appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and also sharing your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and yes, please, if you have any video idea you want me to share with you guys, any recipe, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely going to make a video on that. Okay, so the next thing I did was to use a skewer to hold each row of the cupcakes in place. I have 2 cupcakes in a row, so I'm just going to use the skewer to hold them in place. You are going to do this from the bottom of the cupcakes. Okay, just watch carefully what I'm doing. So you are going to pass it through the bottom of the cupcake to the other one. So even if you have 8 cupcakes in a row, 20 cupcakes in a row, just get a skewer that would be enough to hold all the cupcake in place. So this way, no matter how rough the dispatch rider is going to drive or how bumpy the roads are going to be, your cupcake is still going to be in place till it gets to your customer. Okay, so this is what I did. You will see I'm going to turn this cupcake over and nothing is going to come off, like it's not going to fall off. Everything is just going to be in place. Like I said, this method is not limited to a box of 6 cupcakes alone. You can use this method for as many cupcakes that you're making. So can you see I flipped it over and my cakes were still intact. So I'm just going to pipe my buttercream on top of my cupcakes. So like I said, it's a very simple design. When my client reached out to me and said she wants to order for cupcakes for a May friend, I asked her the color and design she had in mind. She was like, she had nothing in mind. I should just give her something beautiful that would be perfect for a May friend. So in my head, I already knew I'm going to work with cream and gold, and trust me, she loved everything about this cake. It turned out beautiful. I mean, you can never go wrong with cream and gold. So I'm just going to add these finishing touches, which is this gold glinters or sprinkles, whichever one you call it. Okay, so that was it for this cake. I think I added gold coin. Yeah, I did. So that was it for this very simple and beautiful yummy cupcake I sent to my client. Okay, this cake was looking very beautiful, and the cupcake, this vanilla cake, they tasted really yummy. I packaged it nicely and sent it out to my customer, and trust me, they delivered it and everything was intact. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.